au babwate recliner sofa sets echora onchora nebuno kuganya kwa gukore nkone bale fabric sofa sets echo chire cheche 7 seater nabwego ne cheche 6 seater echo chire cheche rangi nechi design au nkone bale marble and glass top adjustable TV stands echora tumeke asoko beke TV ya obuya ase chinsamo cha coffee tables nkone bale wooden coffee tables mbabwate glass top coffee table nkone bale marble top coffee tables egatie chinde chinyinge asinsamo cha dining room mbabwate dining table na boigo nechi set korwa asemete ya mahogan echuchire chechi 6 seater na boigo nechi 8 seater na boigo mbabwate marble top inyuranga Nilan Hub igobwato murulio olipa pole pole asuwanchiro wakanira ebintu bigangorangora wika wakolire tonyole imeyo muchomo songo asebara yasunika migori otaraikasenya gitali lya nyangena boigo dabogwaka esimi gwetrase chinamba chito echo chire enote sano libere kyanda eyemo isano libere isato kyanda ibere inye ose enote sano libere isano nesato ibere inye eyemo inye isano libere inye elio okole amonjilio asinka ya olero Nilan Hub where style comfort and quality meet.
Jumatano ya kabere yo mutenyi omutangani na boigo Jumatano ya kabere yo mwaka bwechiri 2025 EKEONGA CHINSA IKOMI inchenga NYABOGA kurense mu bimanyererio etorenere Wilson Makori Kevin Ongeri nero kwenekya chibicha na marengo ikira chira senchira yo bwekaranu karibu sana ngomanyanga naria atekire. Magega ya serikali gukora amonchoreria asomoro beri bwechsemi kurwa 844 goika CPC ni gobona abaibori kurase county ya Nyamira besokire na gukwanira emechando omurobero yo CBC obwate
nakaga ninje gweka ngo exercise books na yari most parents na barongo batumire bagothe gutugura exercise books ono kuboria serikali na inki geko garego tomaje za kuchia skuru na ndio andra buri kuchia exercise book instead ile no mwalimu abantaka kwa arrangement agore vitabu inde abana bagenda banyore vitabu ku skuru
tena mwani be vitabu ya beye bikobora bibole tena bana sisi la kasi ile mtu aswa ya CPC ana ile ko CPA vitabu bi okonyora birebike bikete ono mwiboli agocha kwana ro mwiboli otami kitabu bibole tembira research publish naende bana ebiasara ebire tabe bino anye na bicho bitoka perocha maguri gari kwa ronche serikali yeto kon maguri ira nense abaibuli banyanga ko babagoto
rituko rya gatatu kerachi skuru cha igwiro nigo omwarimu okyamabundu comprehensive Charles Nyagucha esokire na kuboria abaibori gotoma abana babo gucha chiskuru
Chengo Charles Nyagucha mwalimu mwenye kyamabundu dio comprehensive school ngo kwenda tuigwire skuru ya Jumatatu tarehe 6 na abana bakire no wali klasi ime tokone serikali mbiyamo no asugo twagachire class ndubate class ya grade 9 ekiyasane kenene kiri spacious na ndio mbiyamo na serikali batoye bitabu ndiro ndunda sabe abaibuli baitu bare angine kiyitoga na gwetani bare tabana kiagera libagandiro asigire tonight ya nabo tukwate birasi bine n'abarimu batatu mono tubwate uburimi rwa sema ya sciences ngusaba serikali etokonye etuma abarimu bache basoma imirimo eju n'abana ba grade 6 bari bakora amatemu kipsea amatemu abo asokire bari barengega bache school na bari bande bakora chisuru chinde na bagocha egere to babiki grade 7 bagenda
Mwancho muri atotigarite ase enseme y'ekisemi nigo ababwatani b'ekisemi besokire na kwa abayibori obosemya igoro y'omurobero OCPC.
Wengi hawana habari watoto wanaenda wapi wakitoka grade 9 na tumewaelezea jinsi transition from grade 9 to senior school itakuwa na wameelewa, na ninaweza sema kwa shule za watu binafsi wamefanya vizuri sana. Kwa mfano you can see kuna class imetengenezwa iko na kila kitu, they are well organized, they are ready. How I wish hata public schools ingekuwa organized namna hii ili hawa watoto kwa sababu ni watoto wa nchi moja wasafiri kwa pamoja.
Especially to support some of the private institutions because financially it's quite straining and government support is highly needed.
Lack of knowledge, hiyo iko kwa wazazi. Wazazi wengi hawajakuja kuelewa CBC, tena hawajakuja kuelewa kwa nini walimu wanahitaji materials, hawana pesa, hawana that motivation ya kujua wazazi ndio wanafaa wa motivate watoto wao, si walimu. Mzigo kubwa wanaachia walimu, na walimu hawana hiyo CBC ni ya kila mtu. Inahitaji community, inahitaji wazazi,
na asentunde ya kabere nigo monye umutineneri w'abanyanyimbo Douglas Kanja ataikira nabo se bwekigambiro magega yo kuboriwa nekigambiro aikira nabo se iri kuiraneria amaborio igoro yo kubwata kwa basaye.
To me that the second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth petitioners.
It is in the public domain that the
second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth petitioners.
Yes.
Have been set at liberty by whoever had abducted them. If they were abducted at all. My Lord, they are represented in this court before you by counsel.
Yes.
And my Lord, from where I stand or where I sit, it is very strange for counsel who purport to be on record for petitioners,
yes,
to ask where those petitioners are. If they indeed have been set free and they are at liberty, then it is the responsibility of those who are on record for them this morning to comply with order number 10.
Na omukonyi bomurai wensi ya Kenya musike Professor Kithure Kindiki nigabulira aba Kenya kwerikia aso muroberio utaifa kia erokonyaro bobwenya.
Round we will succeed because we can learn from the other two attempts what were the administrative, legal and even procedural constraints that made the other attempts not to succeed. So we are very sure that Taifa Care will work. Universal health care for everyone will work this time round. And I want to assure the people of Kenya that we will continue with this exercise of impact assessment, impact monitoring, not just at KNH. We may have started at KNH today, but we are going to other points of service delivery, level 4 hospitals, level 3 hospitals, level.
Ayomuna yanda mangi nochiko yanyora ase EKEONGA CHINSA ibere amone CHINSA inye chobotko bwarero nchenga NYABOGA tomerane angyo.
Nilan Hub neye moya chiduka echo